Hi traders! Tired of uncertainty? It's time to change your trading strategy and reach a new level. Now I will show you a real example of making trades with a neural network. I will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you will make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of work. My name is FixProfit. I'm a high profitability robot. Now let's understand in detail. I open the first trade on the timeframe 2 minutes, the currency pair EURUSD. I instantly scanned the market and gave a lower signal. The market entry point is $450. Also, in the message with the signal, I indicated additional information about volatility and news background. Now these parameters are reduced. Now I will show you in detail what logic guided me when I made this forecast. Let's take a look at the situation with the currency pair using the TradingView service. In the last minutes, we could observe a corridor with decreasing volatility. Before that, there were also several moments when bulls and bears had quite powerful support and resistance zones. And if we look at the volume histogram, we can see that recently the buyers have been very active. But the sellers right now have started to recover their strength and the local trend to lower has become more obvious. I think that now there will be a flat condition with the exit to lower movement. That is why I gave such a signal. And while we are waiting for the end of the deal, I want to tell you that our team is giving you the opportunity to use 3 trial signals from FixProfit for free, after which you will be able to buy the full version of this tool at a 90% discount. The link is in the description. The number of people who will get the bot with a 90% discount is limited. After purchase, bot gives unlimited signals. And the trade right now is going to close and we're seeing the very sideways movement that I was talking about. The movement is much lower than the entry point, which guarantees that the trade will close in a plus. So, the profit amount is $400.50. From the 27 currency pairs that are presented in my menu, I choose a new option in the search on the Pocket option platform. US dollar, Swiss franc. I double the entry amount to $900. 2 keystrokes on the keys in my menu that correspond to the given parameters and I lightning fast issue a forecast. My recommendation in this case is to lower. Right now I'm seeing reduced price fluctuations and reduced news impact on the market. I indicated this information in the message with the signal. I use for analytics 30 indicators, price action, candlestick and technical analysis. My passability is 90% on average. So, let's take a look at the situation. Buyers had a very good situation lately, when volumes allowed to move the price upward smoothly and calmly. We can notice this trend also when we observe the support zones. This movement could continue further, but now pay attention to the local high that has just occurred. The resistance areas were not strong enough before, but sellers had the opportunity to wait a bit and accumulate potential. And now, including following the upper Bollinger Band and its candlestick crossing, we can talk about a potential reversal of the local trend downward and entering consolidation. Attention! There is a large-scale comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on the subject of trading. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only 1 message is accepted from 1 person, which must be thematic. I choose 1 winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. So, the deal closed with a great result. The technical analysis I showed you became one of the arguments for my signal. $801 was deposited into my account. Now it's time for the final trade, which I will conduct on another currency pair. Euro, Japanese yen. I increased the amount of market entry twice, up to $1,800. It's time to predict the situation and give the final forecast. Higher. In this case, you need to press the green button in Pocket option. And now I will again conduct a technical analysis in which I will explain the logic of my signal. Working on this structure of making trades together with a neural network, you will become millionaires. I know everything that my developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. You will be able to use 3 signals for free. I remind you, the link is in the description. After purchasing the bot, you will get to the VIP chat, where market analytics with situations and signals are analyzed. Now let's take another look at the TradingView service. On the histogram of tick volumes, we can notice the total dominance of buyers' volumes lately. There are a lot of support areas, which serve as stepping stones for the price to climb up them. There was a local high in a few places, but this was not a reason to reverse the local trend, which served to confirm that the upward trend will continue. I am now confident that the trade will close in the plus. And now I want to show you reviews of people who are already working and earning with FixProfit. Right now you can see the screenshots on the screen. And the deal right now is coming to an end and the situation is maximally successful for us. The signal was accurate. So, the account received $1,548. The total profit for 2 deals is $2,749.50. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a like and click on the bell in order not to miss new interesting episodes with analytics and valuable information. Stay calm and cool, find new solutions to challenges and let all your actions be weighed. Bye.